When it comes to weight management, which is more important, diet or exercise?
When it comes to weight management, I think diet comes into play. You can be exercising, but if you're not eating right and not getting those calories and the protein in and other things, you're not gonna lose weight or manage your weight better.
When it comes to weight management, what is more important, exercise or diet?
I think that exercise is more important because if you don't exercise enough during the day, you won't burn a sufficient amount of calories.
When it comes to exercise, which is more important, diet or exercise?
I would say exercise because if you are eating right but you're not taking care of yourself and you're not physically active, then you're not going to get the goals that you want for your body.
When it comes to weight management, what do you think is more important, diet or exercise?
Exercise because you can eat as much as you want, but exercise you can still be in a calorie deficit. Example: Sam Sulek, he ate like 6,000 calories a day of junk food and still has a peak physique.
Awesome.
In terms of weight management, what is more important, diet or exercise?
Diet.
Why?
Because if you're exercising but you're not having a healthy diet, then you see no progress.
For weight management, do you think it is better to diet or exercise, and why?
Diet, because regardless, if you want to lose weight, you need to be in a calorie deficit. So you can work it all you want, but if you're not eating the right amount, then you're not going to lose weight.
Sweet, thank you.
After interviewing multiple people who go to Springfield College, we see that opinions differ. Some people think that diet and nutrition help weight management, and others think that exercise helps weight management.
The reason we chose weight management was because it is a topic that is talked about with everyone or been thought about with everyone at some point in the US and even the world. It is something that's continued to be talked about in college, in students, and athletes as well. So it is a topic that's always been brought up and has never really gone away. And so that's why we chose weight management and to talk about weight management.
This topic is important and deserves more attention at Springfield College because 9 to 13% of female college students and 3 to 4% of male college students have symptoms of eating disorders. It is important to educate students on how to properly manage their weight to lower their risk of an eating disorder. The numbers may seem low, but this is only the amount of students who admitted to the habits. This number could be much larger than studies find. It is important to learn the healthy ways of weight management because many diets can increase one's risk for heart disease. To lose weight, one must maintain a balanced diet and physical activity. The body resists permanent weight changes through only calorie restriction. So fad diets do not work for long-term success. It is important that we show sustainable strategies to Springfield College students.
When I am around multiple student athletes who go to Springfield College, I always hear boys talking about how they want to get bigger and lift more in the weight room, and they want to eat more so that they gain more muscle, and boys always want to gain weight. And on the other side of that, you hear girls talking about how they want to go on runs to maintain their weight or even lift and eat well to lose weight. So the opinion differs. Weight management is something that gets talked about a lot, and a lot of people have different opinions on it and use different methods when they're trying to maintain their weight themselves. When you look this up online or talk about it with other people, there's no definite correct answer that will tell you the correct way to maintain weight. There's going to be different strategies to use when you're trying to bulk, when you're trying to cut, when you're trying to maintain the same weight, or you're just trying to have the best possible health that you can. So the opinion of people is different, and those strategies that you can use are going to be different to do other things as well.
What we want future generations to know about weight management, whether that's weight gain, weight loss, or maintaining a certain weight, is that dieting and physical exercise alone will not do it. It needs to be a combination of the two. So in order to have a sustainable strategy of weight management, you must include healthy food and beverage choices. You must have portion control. You must have physical activity. And you must have good sleep habits. All of these together will lead a person to be able to have the weight management they want.